Prime Minister Modi ji, what the hell is going on in India? Are you sleeping? Are you up? Do you understand what is this stupid one fake Hindu Paramahans is saying? And you are not getting him arrested? He is saying, I am producing and giving weapons, buzalis to all fanatics to kill every Christian, every Muslim and every non-Hindu. फिर अभी बोल रहा है తెలుగులో కూడా మాట్లాడతాను అందరూ వెయిట్ చేయండి ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ వీడియో అభి బోల్ రहा है అందర్నీ చంపేస్తాం ఒక్క హిందూ ఉండకో ఒక్క ముస్లిం ఉండకూడదు ఒక్క క్రిస్టియన్ ఉండకూడదు ఒక్క సిక్ ఉండకూడదు ये क्या बोल रहा है पागल आदमी ऐसा पागल आदमी परमहंस को उनको कौन है कुत्ता का माफी गुरु हो रहा है उनको अरेस्ट नहीं कर रहा है जब रामुडू कोरोना प्रिय बोल के वो जो हैदराबाद में एक इन क्रिश्चियन एक्टर बोला इमीडिएटली उनको मैं कंडेम किया उनको अरेस्ट किया क्रिश्चियन पास्टर को अरेस्ट कर रहा है IAS senior officer of Kanpur Ifraduddin I put his name there because of his belief talking about his religion Islam religion is being investigated being tortured young girls are raped Christians are killed Muslims are killed lynched what are you doing Prime Minister Modi अरे मेरे को पूजा किया था आप रोज फ्लावर दिया था నాకు పూజించారు మీరు సెక్యులరిజం ప్రమోట్ చేస్తానని ఏది సెక్యులరిజం పిచ్చి పిచ్చి యాసాలు వేస్తే ఎవరికైనా ఇంటర్నేషనల్ క్రిమినల్ కోర్టులో బుద్ధి చెప్తాం విడిచిపెట్టం 260 కోట్ల క్రైస్తవులు ఉన్నారు 180 కోట్ల ముస్లింలు ఉన్నారు 99% హిందువులు 100 కోట్లలో 99 కోట్లు పీస్ లవింగ్ హిందూస్ ఉన్నారు ఇండియాలో 228 కోట్ల ముస్లిమ్స్ 14 కోట్ల క్రిస్టియన్స్ ఉన్నారు 99 కోట్ల హిందూస్ ఈ పిచ్చి పిచ్చి మాట్లాడినోడు ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు అడం పరమహంస ఇడియట్ బుద్ధి లేదా నీకు గాడిద ఇచ్చి పిచ్చి వాగులు వాగుతావు అందరిని చంపుతానని ప్రొవోక్ చేస్తూ ఊరుకుంటారా అలాంటోడిని అరెస్ట్ చేయొద్దా యూపీ సీఎం ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు వాట్ యూపీ సీఎం ఈస్ డూయింగ్ what UP Home Ministry is doing? What nonsense are they allowing this? This kind of talk? Learn from Jagat Guru Swami Shankaracharya Swarupananda, Maha leader from Dwarakapeeth, 2 Peters Adhipati, who came to Charity Cities in 2005 to attend my peace summit. Hindus, Muslims, Jagat Gurus, Popes all come. Norway News చూడండి KA Paul. First 7 religious leaders వస్తారు. అదికే అందరికీ చెప్తున్నా. That's why I'm telling all Indians. We must be united to defeat this RSS Bajrang Dal Vishwa Hindu Parishad agenda. All political parties must be united. All secular Hindus, all Muslims, all Christians must become one. Defeat this RSS turned preacher Modi once for all, or if he is a secular leader who was here in New York on September 25th, hundreds of Punjabis, Sikh leaders, Muslim, Christian, Hindu leaders joined me. Why? To oppose him, to demand his resignation. I am telling you, all of you, my friends, all of you, every religion, let us come together. When, whatever his name is, the Hyderabad guy last year, he called Ram Karuna Priya. I condemned it. Immediately he got arrested, thrown in prison. Whatever that pastor from Hyderabad, all Andhra, Telangana people are protesting for his some talk, nonsense talk or whatever, challenging. He is arrested, he is thrown in prison. But this guy is this stupid guy, Paramahans. I never heard of him. Who is he? Where is he? Arey, you come out of India or face me when I am coming to India. I will get you prosecuted. Come to Hyderabad or Visakhapatnam from UP. Come out. You want to die? Jal Samadhi. If October 2nd, India is not declared as a Hindu country, it will never be declared. In this lifetime, you commit suicide and million of you commit suicide. India will remain as a secular country, democratic country, a country of laws. Yes, your UP Chief Minister and Home Minister may be not implementing. I am asking my good friend Amit Shah, Ji, please immediately get this man arrested. Otherwise, I will file in Indian Supreme Court, International Criminal Court, American courts. You know, when I say I will do something, I will do it. Stop these nonsense idiots now. ఈ పనికి మాలిన దుష్టుల్ని దుర్మార్గుల్ని నీచుల్ని అసహ్యుల్ని ఆపండి. ऐसा आदमी पागल लोग को मुंह बंद कर. वो हैदराबाद में एमएलए एक एमपी था, ओयासिस की क्या कितना साल का पहले वो कुछ बोला था, उनको जेल में डाल दिया. हेट स्पीच. फ्लोरिडा में क्रिश्चियन पास्टर टेरी जोन्स, वो क्या किया था? कुरान बर्निंग के लिए दुनिया सारा बोल के कुरान बर्निंग करने के लिए तैयार हुआ था. मैं खुद जाके 27 घंटा रह के प्रेयर करके उनको बंद करके उनको उधर से उड़ा दिया. कुरान हो, बाइबल हो, भगवत गीता हो, हजार लाखों लाख को विश्वास करते हैं उनका होली बुक करके. बाइबल में लिखा नहीं कुरान बर्न करो कि भगवत गीता का बर्न करो. भगवत गीता में लिखा नहीं कुरान को बर्न करो, बाइबल को बर्न करो, जला दो बोल के. ऐसा पागल फैनाटिक हिंदू लोग ज्यादा नहीं है, सबसे 1% होता है. प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी उनको डिक्लेयर करो ये लोग सब टेररिस्ट है बोल के. क्योंकि आप भी आरएसएस था ना, इतना अच्छा सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं आप बिहाइंड द सीन. You cannot play hide anymore these games. You cannot play these games. You cannot hide anymore. K.A. Paul is coming. God is coming. Satan will be defeated. Enemies will be punished. Loss will be held accountable. मरने के लिए मैं तैयार हूं. तू क्या करेगा? तुम लोग क्या करेगा? अरे बच्चा लोग को रेप करना, नन लोग को रेप करना, मुसलमान को लिंच करना बंद कर. जो हिंदू लोग रिपोर्ट कर रहा है बेंगलुरु में, वो रिपोर्टर हिंदू रिपोर्टर, उनको 4 आदमी जाके एनकाउंटर किया. क्या किया तुम लोग? आई एम आस्किंग द सुप्रीम कोर्ट, हाई कोर्ट, ऑल जजेस, वेक अप, डू जस्टिस, अबाइड बाय द लॉ, होल्ड द लॉ अकाउंटेबल बिकॉज यू आर द ऑनरेबल जजेस. Share this video with everybody until Paramhans, that UP guru, fake guru, is arrested. We will not stop this fight. God bless you all. God bless India. Let us all be united. Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, Buddhists, Jain, all people of all faiths, Catholics must be united. Join with me. Join with peace. Join for righteous fight. मीडिया जो चाहता है हिंदुस्तान को बचाने के लिए रिपोर्ट कर, नहीं तो तुम लोग सब जाएगा. एक रिपोर्टर गया, 10 रिपोर्टर गया, तुम लोग भी जाएगा. Let us all be united like that 125 retired IAS, IPS officers. Wake up. Let us all work together to stop this nonsense. The speech of hatred. Good is more powerful than evil. Love is more powerful than hatred. Truth is more powerful than lie. We can fight together. Either we all must live together or we will all die together. The innocent, the blood of the innocent people, the children, the 2-year-old, the 7-year-old who was raped in Jammu Kashmir, miserably, including some stupid Hindu priest, raped. Where are they? There is no proper law. Bail reh raha hai, they are taking the bail, coming out, and no prosecution. That is why these murderers, these killers, these rapists are wandering on the streets. Let's or get them arrested. Prime Minister Modi, if you have any conscience, if you want India to be secular India, get this guy arrested, and all of these guys should be arrested. Whoever is giving hate speech, whether it is Hindu or Muslim or Christian or Sikh, anyone. Law is equal for all. Ambedkar constitution will never be changed. It will be held accountable.